eating.
We're starting now?
We're starting, I guess. I'm so sorry. Welcome back to another episode of Firefly meets Elle Inspired. Firefly Hook meets Elle Inspired. Hook needles. Okay, we're gonna show you how to make tassels simply.
Simply. So simple.
Simply. So here's our yarns. Don't care whichever one you want to use.
Oh my gosh, they're all so pretty.
And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick a yarn. It can be any thickness you want. I'm gonna do this fun one here.
Okay.
Any thickness you want. And I just at home grabbed myself a DVD because it's the perfect length this way to do it. So just grab it and then just start it. Wait, which way do I cut it? So I do it at the top because I like to use this part because one of the scissors can go right through it.
So brilliant.
Or my little string, whatever.
Little smarty.
So then you just put it around and you just wrap it a bunch of times.
Swirling for me quite nicely.
I usually do about 12, but it all depends on how big and fluffy you want it. I definitely did more than 12.
I did too.
But
But
that's okay.
looks like a nice, happy size.
Yeah, it does. See?
Dorbs. Go ahead.
Snippy. And then you're gonna take the tail, snip, snip. And then you just slip it up through the top part. Or you can do it right here too and then slide it up. That's kind of what I do.
And so,
Yeah.
how nice the DVD case is to you.
Yes. And
Just
then
tie it
I
so tight.
I tie mine real tight. And then you can slide it off. And then just snip right at the bottom. Not where you tied it, because then that would be disastrous.
That would be really disastrous.
Super disastrous and sad.
Very much. Okay, so now you basically have this going on,
Yes.
tied in the center.
Yes, tied in the center.
Okay.
What do we do next, Abby?
Well, I have like this weird.
You can cut it when we snip the ends.
Oh right, I need to cut it here. I was like, hold the phone.
What is this?
Chimney-
What is this?
Chimney things. You should have 2 strings up here, and that's it. Okay.
Only 2.
We got it. We got it, man. Okay, now we need some more yarn, a little bit. Yeah?
Yeah. Finish it off, Abby. Tell us
right.
how it goes.
I'll snip you.
Okay. So then I just kind of take it and wrap it around the top.
Around the neck of it.
We're creating a neck. And this is the head. And we're kind of going to choke it a little bit.
A little bit.
So sorry. Okay.
We're not being creepy. It's just
We're not. Yeah, so we're going to wrap it. We're not tying it yet. We're just.
wrapping it around here.
Yeah.
And then you tie it.
Then you tie it after you're done wrapping
That's my
it.
concentrating face. It's also my angry face, so don't get confused.
She'll let you know when she's angry.
Oh, you'll know.
Oh, you'll know. Our kids are going to go outside, so you're going to hear that. And then you tie a knot,
Okay.
however tight you want. I usually make mine tight, but
Maybe for this
Abby
one.
has a fantastic way of getting these little buggers who are just kind of sticking out back into here, so it looks like it's a
Right.
part of the thing.
So you put your hook up through like this around the neck, and then where you tied it, you're gonna grab those and you wrap it around your hook, pull them down and through.
You're like all black.
I think that worked pretty good. And then you can kind of hide the whole knot. Now it's incorporated into the tassel.
Beautiful. I'm going to try to do that. I might have tied mine too tight.
You should.
Not too tight, I guess.
Then of course, any unevenness, you just trim. I don't ever think they need to be perfectly even, but if you have
Sorry.
weird long ones, then I kind of straighten them. You can
Yeah,
also
if
do
you have
some
weird
light
long
blocking
ones.
on your tassels. Just spray them with water and then stick them straight. You can see, just because of how it was sitting in the skein, sometimes there's a little piece that sticks out funny, but you might not even care. Just shake it out.
Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out.
Oh my gosh, you're so cute.
That's so cute and fluffy. Look at, oh, there's two little stragglers.
Extras.
There you go. That's a quick, simple way of how to make a tassel with just what you have at home. Yarn and a DVD case and some scissors.
Yeah.
Don't forget the scissors.
Don't forget the scissors. Thanks for joining us for tassel time.
Woo!